Good morning, friends. Today is the last day in Baku, in Azerbaijan, and now I'm going for a sightseeing in the Ateshgah Fire Temple and some other temples. Yanardagh, the burning field. Next is your Gobistan, the philanthropic caves, and one more. And last of all, the Heydar Aliyev Cultural Center, Baku. And from where I'll be dropped in 28 May metro station, from where I shall take the bus to go to airport, because my flight today is to Kazakhstan. तो कल एक हादसा हो गया मेरे साथ भाई, वो मैं आप लोगों को बाद में शेयर करूँगा। तो एक खौफनाक हादसा हो गया था, जो जिसके लिए गलती मेरी ही थी, गलती भाई मेरा ही था, इसीलिए ये हादसा हुआ। मेरा ओवर स्मार्टनेस, मेरा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस ही उसके पीछे राज था। एक्चुअली मेरे कैमरा को स्नैच करने का दो बंदे ने कोशिश की थी। तब रात 12 बजे एक अंधेरा गली था, उसके अंदर मैं गलती से घुस गया था। तो फिर मेरा साथ थोड़ा बहुत फाइट हुआ, मेरा चोट भी है। कोई बात नहीं, मैं पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं तो कल जाने वाला। तो मैं चिल्लाया, जब हाथावारी हो गया तो उनसे मैं कैमरा फिर छीन के दौड़ के अपना होटल चला गया। तो आज के बाद कभी भी देर रात को अकेला नहीं घूमूंगा, स्पेशली अब्रॉड के कंट्री में भी। और जब हाथ में इतना इम्पोर्टेंट, इतना महंगा चीज़ रख रहते हैं, सोने का चेन, कैमरा, घड़ी, जो भी है, गलती मेरे ही थी। ओके, चलो, ऊपर वाला का शुक्रगुजार है जो इस हादसे से मैं निकल चुका हूँ। चलो आगे देखते हैं क्या होते हैं।
National Park, Seaside Boulevard.
In Baku, first theater, cinema hall in Baku.
Excuse me, sir. Okay. Now, this is the longest boulevard in the world, 24 kilometers. Look, guys, today I will say many times, highest, biggest, longest. Why? Country is very small. If you know, if the country is small, name so long, flag so beautiful, so many flags, and the highest, biggest, you understand? Just shoot to this here. Ребята, есть кто-нибудь здесь пустое место, свободное место есть. Чего вы там далеко? На Камчатке? Нет, как-то не было.
Я пересела его.
Okey. Abicim problem yok mu? Caner, sizin geçmiş milletvekiliniz benim grubumdaydı.
Öyle mi?
Emin Atak.
Emin Atak. Evet.
Dünen hanımıyla birlikte benim grubumdaydı.
Mustafa mıydı?
Hepsine yettiği çok şakacı bir insan. Ablacığım pencereni açabilirsiniz.
Güneş geliyor ya.
Okay.
O yüzden.
Now you can see our second biggest problem, traffic. Second. No, but ask me what the first.
You know.
No, you don't know. Fantastic corruption.
I don't say.
Like in all oil countries, you know, this problem, all oil countries. Now, on the right, you will see Maiden Tower. Please remember this one. I will tell so much about this tower in Fire Temple. Maiden Tower, the oldest building in Azerbaijan. I mean, this one. From 5th century BC, 2600 years. And the guys from India, you know what is this. If you have been in Mumbai, you have seen this one. This Tower of Silence. Azerbaijan has former Zoroastrians. Yes, you call it Parsi, for us they are Zerdüşti. Now you are in the Fatherland region. Mr. Zoroaster was born in North Iran. About this one, monotheistic religion, but the only non-Abrahamic. I will explain in 5 temples. Now in Azerbaijan, no Zoroastrians. Azerbaijanis are Muslims now. About 70% are Shias and 30% Sunni. Azerbaijan's second biggest Shia country in the world after Iran. But country is very civil. All orders rule the same as European Council. Azerbaijan member all European organizations except European Union. Anybody from UK here? Like UK. Member all European organizations except European Union. UK, which city?
Leeds.
Very famous fans. Leeds United, first place in the world. Second, Borussia Dortmund. First, Leeds United. Mr. You are where from?
Finland.
Finland. So many waves. Because the bay is close at Bibi-Heybat Island. This island, the natural wave breaker. By the way, I will show this island. And if you like pop music, maybe you know about Eurovision. On the left you can see Crystal Palace. There was Eurovision 2012. By the way, this lady Loreen, first time was winner here. We sung Euphoria, if you remember. And ladies and gentlemen, now you can see Baku city from the west. And maybe I've seen this new hotel, Crescent. Name is Crescent and the shape of Crescent. From one Greek engineer. He was in my group in 2018. Not ready now. Thanks China for this gift. I mean coronavirus. Next to tall building, shape of cigar. This one, new office of British Petroleum. By the way, in Azerbaijan now 4 oil companies. Sokar, National Oil Company, BP UK, Eni Italy, and the French Total. Today will be always in Baku city, but in Big Baku. Big Baku is 29 kilometers north and 100 kilometers south. In Baku live 2 million, in Big Baku 3 million people. And now on the left you can see National Flag Square. Please don't ask me why no flag. It was very silly idea. Flag Square is here. Baku is very windy city. 300 days a year windy. And just after 2 weeks, flagpole broken and the 6 years repairing. Flag was huge, 90 meters to 30 meters. I thought this problem small countries. If guy is short, his car is so big. And on the left you can see galleries of modern arts in Baku city. So many galleries and museums just for modern arts. For classic arts, only one museum. And the next two, you can see water sport arena. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe you know, Azerbaijan is fatherland of oil industry. Nobel brothers from Sweden creators are here in Baku city in 1848, and today by the road you will see first oil field in the world, Surakhani oil field. And the first time here was offshore drilling in 1949. I am a former oil engineer. If you have some question about oil industry, please welcome. Unfortunately, too hard operations, I cannot work offshore. We get just 2% oil onshore, 98 offshore. They are Caspian Sea in 108 kilometers from Baku. Situated artificial island, Neftashtali, oil stores. 7,000 people live under there. If you like movies about James Bond, You